Today I'm gonna tell you how we can describe our daily routine in English. If anybody wants to know about our daily routine, we can say or you can describe our daily routine in English easily, and you can just apply my format. You can just try to describe your daily routine according to the format I will give here to you. And if you can follow this format or follow this routine, or if you can follow the process of describing my daily routine, you will be successful and you will be able to describe your daily routine easily and correctly and properly. So first you should describe, or you should mention the first activities, and you should start your daily routine from the time you are getting up from your bed. So everybody gets up from bed at early morning, and you can mention the time when you get up from bed. Like I get up from my bed at 5 p.m. because as a Muslim I say my Fajr prayer first. So if you are Muslim, or if you are other religious people, or if you are religious minded, you will have to get up from bed very early morning. So first you can start your daily routine in this way, that I get up from bed at early morning, or at exact time that I get up from bed at 5 o'clock. Then I take ablution and I fresh myself for my Fajr prayer, or you can say according to your religion that you fresh yourself or you refresh yourself for your religious activities. Then you can say that I go out for morning walk, or I go out for exercise. I go to the gymnasium for my exercise, but gymnasium activities starts after 10 o'clock. So gymnasium or other activities are not as useful as morning walk. So morning walk is so much important for every people or all type of people. So you can say I go for a morning walk and I go for taking my physical exercise. Then you can say I then I come back my home and I take some rest, and if you are a student, you can say I sit for my study and I prepare my lesson before going to college, before going to university, before going to school. And you after that I take breakfast and prepare myself and take preparation for going to my office, for going to my university, for going to my college, for going to my school. Then if you are a student, you will say I attend my classes from 10 o'clock to 2 p.m. or 14 GMT, or according to the time of your country. And after completing my educational activities in college, school, or university, I return my home and I take my Johor prayer. If you are a student of Muslim, or you can say I take bath and I fresh myself, I clean myself, I uh, I take my religious activities and I take my Johor prayer. After that I take my lunch and I take some rest. After taking some rest, I go to playground, or I go to my countryside, I go to my village side to enjoy the natural beauty. Or you can say I go to my friends to chat with them and to refresh myself, etc. If you're a student, if you are teenager, or if you are younger, if you are youth, you will go to playground in the afternoon. But if you are middle-aged man or women, you will not go to playground. You will just go to your friends or your neighbors to chat with them and to refresh yourself or to take mental refreshment. In this way, after that, after completing your playground or other activities, you will say, or we will say, that I return again to my home in the afternoon, and I take my Asr prayer if you are Muslim. And according to your religion, you can mention your religious activities. Or in the evening, I come back home and I refresh myself, or I take a bath again to clean myself, and I take my Maghrib prayer or other religious activities. After, if you are a student, after that you will take snacks, or if you will take light light foods, and then you will sit for your study if you are a student. Or if you are office goer, you will sit for gossiping with your family members, with your friends, or other activities. You will join your house activities also. You will help your parents, you will help your family members in their household activities. And after that, you can say, I completed my Isha prayer if you are Muslim, and other religious activities according to your religion. Then you completed, if you are a student, you completed your homework, and you complete your educational activities for your classwork or assignment, etc., etc. Whatever you are doing, you can mention here that. After that, you can say, I take my suffer and I take preparation for going to my bed. And in this way, you can describe your activities, your daily activities, daily routine. So this is only the format, but there are a lot of activities you can do, or you can mention here. Like I haven't here mentioned when you go to your washroom, when you go to your other activities. Here you can also mention that, but I have here mentioned the main activities of your daily routine. So this is the format you can apply in your life. This is the format you can mention, or this is the format you can try to follow. So I hope you have got the idea how we can describe our daily routine. This is the way you can speak with others. This is the way you can speak with your friends. This is the way you can speak with your foreign friend or your native friends. In this way, you can be fluent in describing your daily activities. So I hope if you can follow this format, you must be successful and you must be fluent. So I would like to request you, if you think that this video lesson was useful, important for you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.